Hello everyone, it's Melissa. I am back with another layout share, and this one is another pocket share, and yeah, I'm gonna show you here. But so basically it's three long. This is like 8.5 or 8.25, and then I just cut the paper down and placed my photos on here. I printed them 3x4. And I kind of I already have this in my project life, but you know, like I mentioned in my last video, I like to keep little bits of things that have happened throughout our year in our family album. And, you know, I do that chronologically. And so I wanted to do this to stick it in there. Now I will read you my journaling, because, sorry, there's something on here, because, yeah, it says, packed our bags, hit the road for a weekend of crazy fun. Shepherds, here we come. Fun at the lake and campers. Spent a ton of time in the water. This trip was the most fun and so exhausting. These pictures speak for themselves, and I chose some of my favorites. This was one for the books for sure. And then I did a bunch of hashtags. And this here, I used some Bristol cardstock, and I used some oxide inks. And I chose mustard seed for the top, and then I blended in some spiced marmalade in the middle and fired brick at the bottom for a sunset type of look. And then I used some water and just splattered a bit of water on here. This Way to the Lake was cut from a file on the Cameo at the store, and I just backed up the word lake with just some scraps of 6x6 pattern paper. This was made with this stamp here, and it's from Impression Obsession, and it's a rubber cling mounted stamp. And then, hold on one second. This stamp set here, this one is from Allie Edwards, and I don't know what it's called, but it's like some phrases, and so I just broke them up and I put them on here and stamped and embossed. This is such an amazing memory. And so that was just a combination of several sentiments here that I just, like I said, blocked off, masked off with tape to get that look. And then I embossed it with black, and then I used a distressed oxide gathered twigs and a walnut stain and distressed and colored it either with a water pen or just a an applicator here. I cut this with a stitched hill border from Diamond Says Stamp, and then I just distressed this with some oxide ink. I just added road trip to Lena and then the date. And so I kept this really simple. Like I mentioned in my journaling, these pictures speak for themselves. We spent 2 days at the lake and we had tons of fun. And so I just cut them down. I printed them and cut them down and put them in my book. So they will go, and if these holes don't line up, I will just cover this with washi tape and make holes that do line up with my album. Because this is actually a coupon sleeve that I bought from Staples, probably on clearance. I buy all kinds of page protectors and just make them work in my albums however I want them to go. I originally had thought of maybe using another one of these close to my heart little extender pockets, and I was thinking of doing my title here and then flipping and maybe putting like, this is what fun looks like here. But you know what, I just thought I don't have a ton to really say about this. It was just us, like I mentioned, spending time 2 days at their camper in their boat and just living it up. So I decided not to embellish these little pictures individually and leave it as it is. And yeah, such a great time. So if you have any questions, you know, go ahead and ask me in the comment section. I will answer them as best as I can. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll go ahead and link my social media, my Facebook page and Instagram, in the description box below, and I would love for you to come over there and follow me. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.